So I'm Kyle from MD Health. I'm just going to show you a quick taping technique for the kneecap that you can do before exercise or before Pilates. So you can just use normal rigid sports tape for this one, which you can get at the chemist, and you can use underlay if you need to, just to protect the skin. I'm going to just use rock tape. It actually works quite well for this technique. It's a bit more stretchy, so it works better when you're moving. And it's meant to be hypoallergenic, so it should be okay with sensitive skin. So all we need to do is we need to have a strip of tape that's sort of about probably 3 inches to 4 inches long. And with rock tape, generally we just round the ends off. Any brand of stretchy Kinesio tape is fine. So what we need to do is just measure it up across the kneecap. Make sure we've got enough length. You are stretching it a little bit, so it doesn't need to be full length. So we're just going to put the first few centimeters of the tape not stretched, so it's completely flat, and we're actually going to stick that down so you rub it a little bit. And then what we're going to do is we're going to move the kneecap towards the inside of the leg, okay? The reason we're doing this is because a lot of people's kneecaps tend to drift outward when they put the knee under load, and that can cause irritation underneath the kneecap. Not everyone, but generally speaking, this is the most common taping technique we use with the knee. So we're going to move the kneecap inward towards the inside of the thigh, and then I'm going to actually tape over the top of the kneecap. I'm going to keep pushing that kneecap across as I stretch the tape around. And then that last 3 centimeters on the inside just needs to be not stretched as well. So you sort of have an anchor on each end, which is not stretched, and the tape across the knees sort of stretched, all right? So, then the best thing to do is to actually try it out, do some movements and see how it feels.